Okay, we're going to talk about the present tense. I feel like I should do bubble letters or something prettier than this, but we got no time for that. We got to get you up to speed before high school starts, Willis. So, present tense. Stem, you're going to use the present stem. And as you learned in the video up above, it is the infinitive, the second principal part, and you remove the RE. For the endings, you're going to use the endings you're already familiar with. O, S, T, mus, tis, nt. So you've already seen those endings when you've been reading. You just probably haven't kind of formalized them. And again, this is first, second, and third person, and this is singular or plural. And then weirdness, there's going to be a slight vowel shift for the third conjugation and the fourth conjugation. But the key is, if you know stem plus ending, you're going to know how to deal with, 75% of the verbs in the planet. It's just knowing that for some of the third and fourth conjugation verbs, there's a little slight difference. So let's start with first and second conjugation. So just to show you kind of how the main pattern goes. So let's just stick with amo, amare, and habeo, habere. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, singular and plural, and 1, 2, 3, singular and plural. First things first. Just like the first form of a noun is the nominative form of the noun, so you can always just copy that into the nominative singular box, this first form here is always this form. So if you're going to be filling in 6 boxes, you can copy one of them. So 1/6 is a freebie. So you copy amo and you copy habeo. Okay? Then the next thing you do is you're going to write the stem. So you're going to write ama 5 more times. And in this case, I'm sorry, I didn't give you this macron because I was being lazy because I told you it was second conjugation. So here you're going to write habe with the long mark 5 times. And now you're just going to add the endings. So we've got O, S, T, mus, tis, nt, O, S, T, mus, tis, nt. And that's how you conjugate a first and second verb in the present tense. So I love, you love, he, she, it loves, we love, y'all love, they love, I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have, y'all have, they have. One last thing you need to do, if your teacher is strict about long marks, there will never be a long mark in the third person. So if you didn't just see me do this, I just deleted the long marks for the he, she, it, and they endings. So that's, if your teacher is strict about long marks, you will have them in the first and the second person, but you will not, they get deleted by that T and the NT ending. So that's just one extra rule. I don't think of it as weirdness. It's just the way macrons work. The he, she, it, and they endings in the present tense will never have long marks. Okay, so that's first and second conjugation. That's the basic rule. And in the next video, we'll talk about third and fourth. Okay.